Ever wondered about the latest tech marvel in the smartphone world, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra? This handset is a powerhouse, brimming with unique features that elevate the mobile experience to new heights. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra boasts a striking body design with dimensions of 1.64, 3x76, 2x9, 5 mm and weighing in at 221 g. It is made with resilient materials such as Gorilla Glass Victus 2 at the front, a glass or eco leather back, and an aluminum frame. This phone is not just about looks, it's also built to last, with IP68 dust and water resistance that can handle submersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. The display is a sight to behold. Measuring 6.82 inches, the LTPO AMOLED screen supports 1 billion colors, a 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and delivers a whopping 1600 nits typical brightness, 2600 nits in high brightness mode, and an impressive 4500 nits at peak. The resolution stands at 1440 x 3168 pixels with a 19.89 aspect ratio and a pixel density of 510 ppi, making every image crisp and vibrant. Under the hood, the Find X7 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm SM8650AB Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, coupled with a range of memory options from 256 GB with 12 GB or 16 GB RAM to a massive 512 GB with 16 GB RAM. This phone runs on Android 14 with ColorOS 14, ensuring a seamless and intuitive user experience. The camera array is nothing short of spectacular. The rear camera setup consists of a 50MP main lens, two 50MP telephoto lenses, and a 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens. The front camera is a 32MP lens, perfect for capturing stunning selfies and making video calls. Scene script, video capture is equally impressive. The rear camera can record 4K videos at 30 or 60 frames per second and 1080p videos at 30, 60, or even 240 frames per second. The front camera, on the other hand, can record 4K videos at 30 or 60 frames per second and 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. With a 5000 mAh battery, the Find X7 Ultra supports 100W wired charging, 50W wireless charging, and even 10W reverse wireless charging. Connectivity options include 5G, dual SIM support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC. An under-display fingerprint reader, stereo speakers, and satellite emergency SOS capabilities round out the feature set. The Find X7 Ultra comes in a regular size box with accessories like a USB-A to C cable and a 100W adapter. A case is also included. In an exciting development, Oppo has launched a satellite communication version of the Find X7 Ultra. This variant enables the phone to connect for calls and messages directly to a satellite orbiting over the Earth. It offers 1 terabyte storage and carries a price tag reflecting the extended features. In conclusion, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra is a remarkable smartphone that brings together advanced technology, stunning design, and exceptional performance. From its robust build and dazzling display to its powerful processor and impressive camera setup, this device truly stands out in the crowded smartphone market. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a power user, or just someone who appreciates top-tier tech, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra is a phone worth considering.